This week we have been in R&D for our new show, The Ramshackle House. As ever, it's funny being inside a theatre in the middle of August, thinking about a winter show. Learning from bedtime stories, one of the things that I really wanted to do with this show was to push the physicality, to make it more exciting and more extraordinary, because those were the moments within bedtime stories that really shone. And we've had 3 brilliant performers that we've been working with to test it out, to see what kind of physical movement might live on the set.
So my name is Becky Minto and I am the designer for the Ramshackle House. I was lucky to work on Bedtime Stories, which was the last project that I did with Vicky and Upswing. So at the moment we're working on the development for ideas for the Ramshackle House here at Stratford Circus.
We started working with Upswing in 2012 when we supported the creation of Bedtime Stories, and our ambitions and values as an organisation really chime with that of Upswing. Deciding to programme the Ramshackle House this Christmas is based on our trust for Upswing, and we know that they do incredible, really creative, exciting work for families.
We were looking at tree houses originally, and then it kind of just led from me finding a strange picture of a roof with children running up it in a parkland, and there was something about it that appealed to me as a child would want to run up, and it was a young girl just running up the roof. So that's really where we're at the moment. We have a pitched roof and a model which we've put together at the moment, as well as a basic mock-up that we've got on the stage behind us.
Today, what we're asking the audience is we're sharing with them the design for our set. We're sharing with them the potential things that we found, how we move around the set, the people that might exist in this world. And we're going to ask them whether they are finding it interesting, exciting.
When we support artists or companies to create work, we always want to make sure there's an opportunity for local audiences to be part of the process. I think what's really exciting about the Ramshackle House is that local families and audiences have been included in the creation of the piece and are being taken along on the journey of creation.
Okay, and if you were going to live in there, what would you have inside? I love getting families involved in the development of the work because it's how we discover the show as well. We come in as a group of creatives with some ideas and some strands that interest us, but what interests us might not necessarily interest an audience, and that we can find the points where we cross over as audience members. For me, those are the moments that really sing, when we find strings of those and bring them together into production. It's really great to hear you feed us new thoughts, but also reflect some of the things that we've been thinking anyway. That's such a useful thing for us.